I'm Matt Hawkins. I'm here today to answer the question, what is a convention of counties? The U.S. Constitution provides for a convention of states when the states believe that their government has become non-responsive. This is to be activated by the states, since the states are the ones that wrote the U.S. Constitution. Well, then who wrote the state constitutions? In particular, Washington state, but the counties. The legislative and executive authority of your county are the county commissioners. This has been true from before when Washington was a state, during our territory days. Shouldn't the counties then have the right to call a convention of counties when they believe that the state has become non-responsive to the people? I believe the answer is yes. So we have 39 counties in Washington state. We need 26 counties to call for the convention and 30 counties to ratify the actions taken. Please talk with your county commissioners, petition them and support them to call this convention of counties here in Washington state. We can do this in 2025. Really, we can do this as soon as the commissioners agree to meet. Please get hold of them today. In the meantime, go to www.conventionofcounties.com to learn more and reach out and see how you can help us spread the word. Thank you.